Hello folks, and welcome to the Great Outdoors. My name is Tom, and today we're going to be talking about the Rockwood 2509S. Rockwood is a great product, folks. It has been doing super awesome for us ever since we've been selling this product, and this year just keeps getting better and better and better. So Rockwood is basically, they're identified by their vacuum bonded build process on this coach. It's all aluminum substructure plus vacuum bonded, means a super tight build for you. No air leakage, minimal air leakage, if you will. And they just do a fantastic job. A couple things that Rockwood has done this year that's kind of new to the industry. First of all, you're going to get a 10-year axle warranty. That's unheard of in the RV business, folks. 10-year axle warranty. And they've also upgraded their warranty on the bow floor that's inside as well. And I can't wait to show you that feature when we get inside. One of the great features on 2509 Rockwood is the outside kitchen area. Rockwood has done a great job with this concept as far as this building this outside kitchen on 2509. You're going to get a 2-burner gas stove out here, hot and cold water sink. You're also going to get like a dorm style refrigerator that operates off 110, but great feature on this particular bunkhouse model. Now to put this guy away, you just collapse those little handles there. Push that in, lock it into place, and your kitchen is basically put away. You're also going to get an outside grill. This is something exclusive that I bring in from Rockwood. You have a direct feature gas line from the coach right into the grill itself. So when your kitchen's set up, this is exactly how it's going to look. One of the cool things about this Rockwood, and all of my Rockwoods that I sell, is going to be the frameless windows. Folks, the frameless windows are cut specifically and are directly matched to this coach, so there's no air leakage whatsoever through this coach. There is no rubber grommet that you have to replace over time due to weathering. Having a tight seal on here, they look a lot cooler. They're sleeker looking. They're already tinted, so it's just going to enhance that appearance of the coach. As we kind of walk around down the side here, the TV that's inside the coach, that's right folks, you can also bring that guy outside, set it up, because you're going to have a coaxial cable plug-in along with a 110 power outlet, and there's nothing better than sitting up underneath your coach, underneath your awning, cooking some barbecue, watching TV, and having a great time with your family. You're going to have a electric awning out here. This one does have the electrical, not the electrical elbows, but the adjustable elbows on here. This is an electric awning though. And I can kind of pitch this to the left or to the right. And the reason this is a great feature is because it's going to allow you to shoo the rain off in either direction. You don't want any type of rain or snow or anything else piling on top of this canvas, because it can stretch it out over time, and you don't want that. On this coach, you're going to have the LED lights that are going to run underneath the awning. They're not going to burn bright. They're going to burn bright, but they're not going to burn as hot, and they're not going to be able to attract those bugs like a regular incandescent bulb will. And that's a cool feature as well to have out here. So it just kind of lightens up this whole area. 2 marine grade outside speakers, of course, so you can listen to your radio music if you decide that's something that you want to do. And as we're kind of continuing on here, a 6-gallon direct spark ignition, either electric or gas hot water heater. Basically, to turn this little guy on, you go inside, you just flip a switch, and it will automatically go ahead and kick that on for you. You can run this off of gas and electric at the same time to give you a faster recovery rate on your hot water as well. Big grab handle so you can get into the coach. Now you can also fold this in either direction if you get it out of the way for transport. So you got a 3-step up into the coach, easy accessible. You're going to have lots of storage on this coach as well. Up underneath here, this is going to be your bigger pass-through storage, and this particular coach is going to have a Murphy bed in it, but underneath the Murphy bed you can notice that you'll have plenty of storage. You'll also have a front bin up here as well to store those small knick-knack items. This particular coach is also going to be optioned with that solar panel plug-in. It's a plug-and-play system. You guys have probably heard them through on my other videos, but Rockwood is boy, they really like to set up their coaches really nice, and having that option to trickle charge your batteries if you're doing dry camping is a great feature to have on your coach. I sell those solar panels in my store, and if you need a price quote on those, don't hesitate to give me a call and I'll help you out with that. As we walk around the front, you have a nice sleek fiberglass front here with the diamond plate that's going to help absorb some of those rocks and chips that are going to come off from the tires and from other cars cruising down the road on the road. And then you're also going to have a nice bright LED light. Now this is going to be convenient if you're docking or undocking at night, hooking up your hitch, power tongue jack of course. And then you're also, show you this bin here. You're also going to get two 30 LP tanks on this particular coach as well, and it's going to come with a gauge on here to let you know when you need to replace these tanks. So two 30-pounders on here as well. The battery, of course, to provide power to the coach, but you got a little battery box. And let's talk about the weights on this coach too, because a lot of the questions I get is, Tom, can my vehicle pull this? Well, when each coach is made and it's pulled off the line, it actually gets weighed. And that's with everything that you see in this coach, with all the furnishings and everything. On this coach, you got 5,034 pounds just as it sits. And as if you load it up to full capacity, your GVWR on here is going to be 6,660 pounds. So you can imagine you can throw in about 1,600 pounds worth of gear in this coach for you and your entire family. This is going to be your potable water fill up right here. Your potable water is basically like your canteen that you're going to have on board if you decide to go on a dry camp. You're going to have the driver's side pass-through storage as well. This is going to be your little prep table that sits next to your grill. And then all of your hand cranking devices. So if you do lose power on the coach, you can go ahead and bring in your slide in. You have a crank in for your powered tongue jack and everything like that, so you're not going to be stranded. More radius windows, as you see. Frameless windows all throughout the coach. I like this little cubby hole right here as well. So if you have a hunter in the family, people that like to fish, you can put those items right in here and secure those with a nice little lock on here too. Now you're going to have some storage up underneath the U-shaped dinette. And one of the things I wanted to point out to you folks is all aluminum substructure. It's double welded on each side. That's the quality and standard that Rockwood likes to set, okay? In my competition, you'll see this framed out with wood. Well, over time, wood will break down, and especially if you have a water leak in the coach, you're gonna have to replace all that. So with Rockwood and how they do it, great setup, and it's all aluminum substructure as I mentioned before. As we come around to the back, this is going to be your control or command center. So one of the cool things on this coach is going to have an antifreeze inlet. And this is going to help you winterize your coach in the wintertime. So in a nutshell, how this guy works is you just hook your little jug of antifreeze up. You go and you bypass your water heater. You turn the jug upside down and turn your water pump on, and that will feed that through the system. So that's very handy to have. Your city water connections right here, and then you're also going to have the black tank flush. Now the black tank flush, folks, is you actually have a system in your black tank that will let you clean it out from the exterior here, and you hook this up with a hose with a water pressure reducing valve. You turn it on and you let that system clean itself out, and then you just come over here and dump your tanks. The old system, and the way this is a better system, the old system is you'd have to take a hose into your coach, you'd have to put a wand down in the toilet, turn that sucker on, and hopefully you don't get any overspray in your face, and you know that can be a disgusting procedure. So having this on here is a great feature. Cable satellite hookups. You're also going to have 30 amp service on here because you have an air conditioner on board and you want to be able to power up all your 110 appliances. And then you also have an external shower, both hot and cold water features out here as well. So if you like to take a shower outside, maybe you need to wash down the pet, maybe you're on a beach somewhere and you need to hose off your feet, great feature to have on the backside here is the shower. Two great features on the back side of this coach is number one, it's going to be powered for a backup camera, a Furrion camera system. If you want to go ahead and add that feature, you definitely can. I do sell those in my store. If you want pricing on that, I can help you out with that as well. But you also have an access ladder to your roof, and that's going to allow you to get up there and do all of your own maintenance, checking all of your seals and your little caulking areas around the air conditioning and vents. Great feature to have to be able to go up there and do your own roof. Now, one of the things I wanted to point out on the roof on this, you're going to get a 12-year 12-year roof warranty. It's a TPO type of a roof, super strong, super durable. You don't want to take anything sharp up there, so you definitely want to check your shoes before you start walking around up there, because rocks and stuff will scrape that. But 12-year roof warranty that Rockwood's going to give you on that roof. You're also going to get a cover for the spare tire as well. Tell you what, let's go inside and I'll show you some features in there. All right, come on inside and I'll show you some features in here. All right, well, welcome inside the 2509. This is a great exclusive bunk model. It's going to be right around that 25-foot mark for you. And as you can see, this one's got this Murphy bed set up. Now, the Murphy bed concept has been out for a few years, and consumers have asked for this particular product because, you know, people are really no longer going with the front bedroom like you've probably seen in campers of the past. So having this Murphy bed system provides you to have that living room area and a sleeping area as well. So the way that this one's set up is the couch is right here, and it's pretty comfy, double stitch. Rockwood uses a great quality type leather in their coaches, so that you're not going to be sacrificing the couch with the Murphy bed concept or living room style. Having this option is great. So it comes with my favorite, the throw pillows. But when it's time to go to bed at night, basically how you set this guy up is you just pull this, and you do have some storage up underneath as well. That's the pass-through storage that you saw earlier on the outside. But basically this little guy comes right on down over the couch, and now you have your bedroom. So if you have little kids that are staying with you, because this is a bunk model, you do have a privacy curtain that you can utilize. So that'll just close you off and give you all that privacy that you need. And then on each side, which is really nice, is they're going to give you some wardrobe space here. You're also going to have some pull-out drawers. The Formica countertops are a really nice added feature. You're also going to get some 12-volt and HB ports right in here as well, so you can charge your cell phones, or if you have something that's going to plug directly into the 12-volt system, you have that option as well. 110 features on each side, so people with those masks, with those sleep apnea masks, you can utilize those systems on this particular coach. What's really nice about this mattress as well is it is heated. So if it's really cold outside, you plug it in, it operates just like an electric blanket, except for it's your mattress. You have these straps that'll keep your bedding into place. So you just tighten those up, lock your pillows into place, and to raise it up, you just do the opposite. Lock it into place. Now what I like about this particular Murphy bed is this actually looks really nice, okay? It's not ugly looking in appearance. Rockwood does a really good solid job bringing out the beauty of the wood in this particular coach. And if you're just camping and you're not traveling down the road, you can just push that up. You don't need to worry about locking that into place. It's not going to fall down. Set your couch back up, and now you're set up for all of your guests to come and party with you in your new coach. The window covers on here are like an accordion style. You just bring them up and bring them down, and you'll have that throughout all of your windows. LED lights throughout the entire coach. Now these are push button, so you can turn them on and off with the push button, or if you want to, you can turn those off both with a switch that's located right here. So lots of cool things going on right here in the Murphy bed concept. We're going to swing around this way here, and I want to show you some of the features in the kitchen, because Rockwood does a great job in their kitchen, folks, okay? It gives you a homey feel. Doesn't provide that camper feel like a lot of campers will do. Even though it is a camper and it's, you know, it's beautiful to take out dry camping and stuff, but this gives you the home feel, I think, in my opinion. One of the things is you're going to get hard surface countertops. You're also going to get a double bowl sink here. You're going to get the glass Suburban cooktop as well. Now you just flip this up to cook on it, and then you'll have a 3-burner stove here. This will flip up and act as your backsplash, because as we all know, trying to clean grease off of the vinyls here could be a little bit of a challenging work. And then you have a nice knife rack back here as well to hold all those knives, so you don't have to worry about a knife butcher block somewhere on your coach that you have to worry about storing all the time. Your TV is going to go right here. Now I don't have this one in just for the fact that I don't want it to grow legs and someone take it, but it goes right here, and your plugins for the TV are going to be located right here. Microwave, oven and range right here. And then lots of pull-out drawers. So really good quality work by Rockwood. Now, if you need more counter space, folks, you have this little extender that Rockwood provides you. And to set this guy up is really quite simple. You just hook this guy up on the bracket. And then you just bring this leg down. And it just locks into place here. If I can get the little knob to do its thing. There we go. So now it's locked into place. So that'll give you that additional counter space that you so need. One of the things I like to do with my Rockwoods too is I like to outline the refrigerator with the wood paneling. I think it looks beautiful in here. You're not dealing with the black to where it's going to kind of look kind of ugly in my opinion. But having this refrigerator here looking like this, it just brings out the classic beauty of this coach. 6 cubic foot fridge, electric gas option on here too, so you can go either way on keeping your food cold. And then of course you're going to have your IRB technologies, DVD, CD player, AM, FM radio, auxiliary in. You can charge your cell phone if you want to through here. So great little location for the radio. Now as you'll see, this is a bunk model. Now what I like about this particular bunk model is that you can actually sleep couples up here if you need to, depending on the size of folks. But you're going to have a ladder that people can use to get up to the top bunk, because some coaches, believe it or not, they don't offer that. And then what's really neat about this particular bunk area too is that this folds up and you can lock this particular bunk up and out of the way. And if you're a bicyclist, and that's really what it's designed for, is you can store bicycles in here, or extended coolers, those bigger items that you'll need while you're camping, lawn chairs, something like that. So lots of space going on in here. Of course, privacy curtains are always important, because everybody likes to have their own little space sometimes from time to time. And it looks really nice with the curtain here too. So let's go into the bathroom and I'll show you some features in here. So on the 2509, you can actually see you get a pretty spacious bathroom. You do have a shower bath combo. Now once again, everybody's gonna know my measurements. I'm 6'2", right? So my head fits in the glass here to give me more head space. But as you can see, I fit in here very, very nicely. It's comfortable in here. You're gonna have a Dometic foot flush toilet. And you actually have room to sit down in here too, so your knees aren't banging up against the wall or a door. You have a medicine cabinet with real wood, a GFI 110 breaker, a basin bowl, hot and cold water, toothbrush, soap holder, all great things going on here in the bathroom. So lots a spacious room. You're also going to get a fan in here, and basically turn this on. And you have a vent over on top of this fan too, so if it starts to rain, water's not going to pool in here, but you can go ahead and give the air in here a nice swirl in here, especially when you're in here taking a shower, to vent all that hot steam from taking the shower. So nice cool feature in here as well. So one of the things that makes Rockwood stand out from the competition is vacuum bonded sidewalls and your roof. Now I challenge you to go to any other dealer and bang on their ceilings and see what's going to happen, okay? Well, actually I don't want you breaking anything, but as you can see, I'm punching on this thing with some pretty decent force, and that's the strength that the vacuum bonded process is going to give you. Now what vacuum bonding is for you guys, for the regular consumer, to help you kind of educate you a little bit, is that's where the inner and the outer wall come together, right? Now most manufacturers will just do a standard pinch roll. They put the fiberglass exterior on it along with the Luan in the inner wall, and they put it through a pinch roll and they call it good, and they hope that that will hold over time. Well, the only problem with that is that there's little air pockets that are going to be stuck in that inner wall, and over time as you go up in elevation, those air pockets will expand and contract, pushing pressure on your outer wall. Sometimes you'll see coaches going down the road where they have a little bubbling effect, and that's called delamination. Well, doing the vacuum bonded process, they kind of do it the same way, except they put it on a stacker press. That stacker press is a vacuum bonded suction area, and it's on there for about 30 to 40 minutes, and that eliminates all of the air from that inner and outer wall. So it's going to bond a lot tighter than glue for you, and it's also going to keep those seals from leaking. What's great about that is doing this process, yes, it's a little bit more expensive, yes, it's a little bit more time consuming, but the quality as far as the product is way better, and doing it this way is going to be 10 times less likely for it to delaminate on you over time with the coach. So that's one cool thing about vacuum bonded. One of the things I want to point out about the radio system too is you're also going to get speakers. You'll get 2 speakers here, you'll get 2 speakers above the Murphy bed, and then you're also going to get 2 marine grade outside speakers as well, so that you can listen to all your music through the speakers. You're also going to get a Coleman Mack air conditioning unit in here. Now this is a ducted unit, folks, okay? So it's going to run throughout the entire coach. Most of my competitors on a coach this size will just drop the big old AC in here, and then you only have one port from where it's going to blow out of right here. Well, the cool thing about this is it's also got a cool quick cool feature. So you can open up these vents right here, whoever the cook is in the family, you can come in here on a hot day, start preparing your meal, and you can open this up, turn your AC on, and you can cool this area a lot quicker than you would the rest of the coach. Once you're comfortable here, you just close these back up and it will force the air through the rest of your ducted system. What I like about Rockwood and the way they do things too is you can actually spin these around your venting system to control the airflow and direct it to where you want, and then you can also close it up too if you want to seal that off completely. So a lot of cool things that Rockwood does in their coaches, a lot of competition does not. One of the other things that I want to stress too is that Rockwood uses real cabinets. This is residential grade cabinetry that you'll see, along with the hardware that you see in here as well. So you can bang on here all day long, you're not going to break it. Another thing that I also want to show you is that these cabinets are also screwed and glued in, they're not stapled into place. Okay, and that's going to be important for you too, because you want to make sure your coach is not going to fall apart. Your thermostat's going to be located right here, and you're also going to have an LP detector here as well. Now that's in here for code, and what that does is that's basically like a sensor that's going to go off if you have an LP leak, basically a gas leak inside the coach. Now that is very sensitive to aerosol sprays too, so if you're using hairspray, deodorant, stuff like that, if that goes off when you're using those, chances are that's probably what it is. Let's make our way over here to the booth dinette. Now what I like about the booth dinette is that you can fit a lot of people around this table. This table will collapse, and this area will also turn into another sleeping area if you need to. But the way that I like this table and the way it's set up is you can actually move this out, collapse it, and take it outside if you want to. After all, you're camping, and that's kind of where most of you want to be anyway. But having to be able to adjust this, move it around, if you have one of those coaches where you have the 2 leg posts in here, you can't really do a whole lot with the table. It's pretty much fixed in position. You can only do a couple different things with it. That's either eat off of it or turn it into another sleeper area. But having this, you can move it outside. You can do a lot of different features with this. More cabinets above here. So once again, Rockwood's providing you a ton of cabinet space in here. And then you're also going to have pull-out drawers in here as well. And then you'll have one on the opposite side. So a lot of cool features. You know, one of the things I want to show you too, and I showed you a little bit while we were on the outside, is how this coach is built on the aluminum substructure. So once again, I'm showing you the framework that Rockwood's going to provide on here. Okay, this is all aluminum tubing. You are not going to break this, folks. Okay, I promise you. It's not going to break down like wood over time. So good quality construction that Rockwood's going to provide you all through this coach. Thank you for joining me on the 2509 tour of the Rockwood. I appreciate your time that you spent with me. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you just want to reach out to me in general on any of my inventory that I have here at the Great Outdoors RV, you can give me a call at 970-313-4337, or if it's easier for you to email me, my email is tom@thegreatoutdoorsrv.com, and hopefully I'll be seeing you on my lot very soon. Take care.